If the squad ain't with me, then it ain't right.
I don't know what to get. Everything looks good because we're all hungry right now. But okay, I want this for starters. That's so. Or like, oh no, the crab.
So where's the food? I'm really hungry.
I'm gonna grab some water and bread for everyone. I'll be right back. If anyone has questions, just let me know. My name's Justin. This one, you were.
The guy was looking at me. That's why I was like,
I don't know what to get. Yeah. Nathan, you're right. Oh my god. Yeah. Wait, what happened? Wait, what happened?
It's all on me.
okay, well, look at this shit, bitch.
He got a flash off. Get it?
I was so scared. I'm like, the cops stop playing with me.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
This is so. Yeah, sister. Guys, I'm so hungry. What I eat today? Hawaiian bread.
Hawaiian bread to this.
And a dip.
That's a club I like to see.
This is so good though. I need to slow down.
So I want to get some.
Grab the wall. That's the tea.
That's why I can't vlog. I always get some.
Eating at this really nice restaurant with a beautiful view. So.
Yeah, look at it.
Oh yeah. I want to do it, Kenber. Zoom into that. Is it how's the octopus?
Oh my god.
Really? Is it good?
It's so spicy.
Oh. Here, yeah, you can have this one. You don't want it? No. JK, bitch. JK, we share. Yeah.
Wait, that's a good one.
World star!
How about this? Okay, I'll buy you
Chicken peanut pasta?
I want to zoom into that.
And my eyes always
Oh, this looks better. Make it come.
I don't really know what it means though.
Isn't that Alcatraz?
Yeah. Who?
Alcatraz.
What does that mean?
I thought it was in Los Angeles. Like for the longest time.
There you go. Just kidding. Guys, you know, I just realized that I make really rude comments.
Huh?
I make like rude comments, but I don't realize it's rude until I say it. And I don't realize it's rude until
Whoa,
like.
life changing.
Oh no, I'm just saying like I just realized that like, but I don't really like mean it, you know?
We don't
Actually, no.
realize. How are you realizing if you don't realize it?
Huh? Stop. Like, but is it just me? Is it just me? It just this dick's so good. I should. Stop. Nathan, you want some? Want some?
I do.
Rain, you want some? Vicky, you want some?
Yeah.
I hate you.
He loves me.
Tasha.
You don't have a pet steak.
Huh?
You don't have a pet steak.
I do. It's in my freezer.
Hey, my water! Oh, yeah.
Is she using it for the stand? Are you thirsty, Natasha?
Oh, I have to bend down. What's new?
I used to love cooking.
I ate in front of people to inspire people to eat.
Oh my god, creative?
We're going home after this, right?
Yeah.
Lit. No, literally. How much did you bring?
Huh?
How much did you bring?
A lot.
The guys at school are built like bowling balls, and they expect Victoria's Secret balls.
Yeah. You're right.
Take the fucking lock. You give me a pin then. Yeah, you built like a bowling ball. Give me a pin. Oh, that's a compliment though. Pins built like that. I thought I was so skinny.
Ooh, thank you.
Spooky. Oh, I thought it was real.
I used to think I was so skinny. Bitch, what the fuck was that? It's like my size.
Can you sleep over?
Yeah. When do I ever sleep over?
Yeah, when do you ever?
Sleep over for once.
Oh,
Then
yeah.
ask your mom.
She's gonna say no.
Aww.
You never know
But your
sometimes.
sister, she said yes.
I did.
She said yes to your sister, though.
I know.
I said medium. This is hella like.
Oh, you've asked me before? When? I don't know one time.
Wait, are you dropping Nathan off?
Yeah.
I need to get my stuff at his house. Okay.
Oh, me too.
No.
Why don't we go to your house and then walk to Mickey's, and then while we're walking, we like.
Why?
Why you can't go?
Why are you making things so complicated? Wait, what?
Oh, I thought because I don't want your parents to get mad.
It's in my room. We've done it before a million times.
In your room?
In my room, yeah.
Do you guys want some beef? I look better when I dance. I'm actually really full.
I'm full too.
I'm so full.
Me too. I'm not that far.
How?
Can I try yours?
Like I said, that makes
Try
no
mine?
sense. That room makes
You
no
want to try mine? Oh, wait.
That, I think I.
Wait, what are you getting, Emily? Chicken and lamb? Oh, so saucy. Make it get in the video.
Why?
Why not?
You find them.
You didn't exploit me.
No.
I'm so full
Hey,
right now.
let's take this to go because we're gonna get hungry again.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Because when you're... Right.
Dude, it's so pretty.
Yeah, ask one of the workers.
So where's the
I thought
dessert?
your booty was fake.
Where's our dessert? I'm full.
I think we're all full.
Oh my god. No, we got this.
Because you don't have food
I
or
didn't
water
even have
at your
food.
house.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, I was about to go to Jonas.
Why?
Because you didn't have food, remember?
Oh yeah.
He hates me now.
Why?
I know, it's so mean.
I'm so mean to
It
him.
wasn't meant to on FaceTime.
Really?
Is this a good water?
No, that's what had stuff in it.
Then why is it?
I thought this one was. You joking?
You're so dumb.
She picked up that one thinking it was a mood song. You agree with me helping me get right from my water.
I'm so full.
Don't eat Delete that train. Now. So study tomorrow?
Yes, for sure.
What time?
Like 12.
I can't.
Why?
Same class.
Oh, from what time? 1?
Where? Can you sit for a minute? Oh, we gotta go around the pier for a little bit.
Yeah.
It's so pretty. Oh my god, look at the sky.
Oh yeah.
Sky is Minnie. I know. Look at the goods. Look at the tea.
Wait.
Look at that.
Yeah, your hair tastes really good.
I need thumbnail.
Oh, I got you.
Come. Get out! Get it down.
I don't get it.
You need a thumbnail.
Okay, I need thumbnail. Do it. Okay, I'm done. This Javen gets to go because I know I'll be starving.
Dude, I'm so fat.
Alright, guys.
Bye.
I finished.
Thanks for watching and yeah. Did the aftermath because we are really full. So
I said it's a
oh wait, excuse me. Can I get the bill? Oh, the lighting's better.
What time is it?
Excuse me.